10 facts about crocodiles. Crocodiles are one of the most feared animals in the world because they are very dangerous. They are responsible for hundreds of human deaths every year. However, there is still a lot that people don't know about them. So here are 10 facts about crocodiles to increase your knowledge. Number 1. Crocodiles have been around for a very long time. Crocodiles first appeared on Earth over 200 million years ago. That makes them older than dinosaurs. In fact, they were around at a time when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. This means that they have been around for almost 95% of the Earth's history. Surprisingly, they have changed very little over the years. Their fossils have been found all over the world, including Africa, Asia, Europe, and North America. Number 2. There are 23 species of crocodiles. There are many different types of crocodiles all over the world. The largest crocodile in the world is the saltwater crocodile. It can grow up to 6 meters in length and weigh over 1,000 kilograms. The smallest crocodile in the world is the dwarf crocodile. It only grows up to 3 feet in length and weighs less than 4 pounds. Most crocodiles live in freshwater habitats such as rivers and lakes, but some species can also be found in saltwater habitats such as oceans and brackish waters. One of the most famous species of crocodile is the American crocodile, which is found in the Americas. Other species include the Nile crocodile, the gharial crocodile, the mugger crocodile, and the caiman. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Some are better swimmers, while others are better hunters. But they all share common features, such as their long snouts, powerful tails, and armored bodies. No, 3 crocodiles belong to a group of reptiles known as archosaurs. This group also includes dinosaurs and birds. Crocodiles are more closely related to birds than they are to lizards and snakes. Crocodiles and birds both have feathers at some point in their development, although most crocodiles lose their feathers as adults. They also share many anatomical similarities, such as the way their bones are structured and the shape of their skulls. However, it is important to note that crocodiles are not dinosaurs. Although they are related, they are not direct descendants of dinosaurs. Instead, they are more like cousins. Crocodiles and dinosaurs both evolved from a common ancestor that lived over 200 million years ago. Number 4. Crocodiles are cold-blooded animals. This means that they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. They often bask in the sun to warm up or seek shade to cool down. Because crocodiles are cold-blooded, they are not able to maintain a constant body temperature. This means that their metabolism slows down when they are cold and speeds up when they are hot. Crocodiles are also ectothermic, which means that they cannot generate their own body heat. Instead, they rely on the environment to provide them with the heat they need to function. No. 5 crocodiles are carnivorous animals. They are apex predators, which means that they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem. Crocodiles typically eat fish, birds, mammals, and other reptiles. They are opportunistic feeders, which means that they will eat almost anything that enters their territory. Some crocodiles are specialized hunters and will actively pursue their prey. Others are ambush predators who wait for their prey to come to them. Crocodiles use their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to catch and hold on to their prey. They also have strong tails that they use to thrash around and drown their prey. No. 6. Crocodiles are excellent swimmers. They are well adapted for life in the water with their long, slender bodies and powerful tails. Their tails make up half of their total body length and are used for swimming and balance. Their webbed feet help them steer themselves through the water, and their nostrils are located at the top of their snouts, so they can breathe while mostly submerged. Some species of crocodiles are better swimmers than others. The saltwater crocodile is one of the best swimmers and is able to swim long distances in the ocean. Other species, such as the American crocodile, are not as good swimmers, but are still very capable in the water. 7. Crocodiles have a special membrane called the nictitating membrane. This membrane is a clear, thin skin that covers their eyes. It acts as a third eyelid that protects their eyes while they are underwater. Unlike humans, crocodiles cannot blink, so the nictitating membrane helps to keep their eyes moist and free of debris while they are submerged. The membrane is also useful for camouflage, since it can help hide their eyes from potential prey or predators. Crocodiles are ambush predators, so it is important for them to be able to sneak up on their prey. The nictitating membrane allows them to do this by hiding their eyes and making them less visible in the water. 8 crocodiles can regulate the amount of water in their bodies. They do this by controlling the amount of salt they excrete through their kidneys. This is important for them because they live in environments where there is a lot of salt, such as oceans and brackish waters. Crocodiles are able to maintain a proper balance of salt and water in their bodies by excreting excess salt. This also helps them to get rid of waste products and toxins that can build up in their bodies. Number 9, crocodiles can communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations. They use sounds such as hisses, growls, and bellows to communicate. These sounds are produced by the larynx and are used for a variety of purposes, such as attracting mates, defending territory, and warning off potential predators. Different species of crocodiles have different vocalizations. For example, the American crocodile makes a distinct hissing sound that can be heard from a long way off. This is used to warn off potential predators and also to defend their territory. Number 10. Crocodiles are vulnerable to extinction. Although they are very successful animals, they are threatened by human activities. Habitat destruction is one of the biggest threats to crocodiles. As humans continue to develop and expand our cities and farms, we are destroying the habitats that crocodiles need to survive. Pollution is also a major problem for crocodiles. When we pollute the water and air, we are poisoning the environment that crocodiles live in. This can lead to birth defects and other health problems in crocodiles. Climate change is another major threat to crocodiles. As the climate changes, the habitats of crocodiles are changing as well. This is leading to the loss of crocodile habitat and making it harder for them to find food. One species of crocodile, the saltwater crocodile, is currently listed as endangered. This means that if we don't take action to protect them, they could be extinct in our lifetime. We can all do our part to protect crocodiles by reducing our impact on the environment and supporting organizations that work to conserve them. We hope you enjoyed learning about crocodiles. These amazing creatures have been around for millions of years and are truly fascinating to learn about. We would love to hear what you think about crocodiles. Do you have any interesting stories about them? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.